Hello everyone, this is Camille. I want to invite you all to my first Do's and Don't challenge. Alright, it's a collaboration with 3 other amazing artists premiering July 14th. Guys, please mark your calendars. I hope to see you all there. It's gonna be fun. We'll be here to answer any questions that you guys might have. Alright, it's a fun way to interact with us. So guys, mark your calendars and I hope to see you July 14th starting at 6 o'clock.